Hey, I'm Kevin and welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. Today I'm going to make what I'm calling brisquito. Brisquito? Brisquito. Keto brisket taquitos. Brisquito. Get it? All I'm going to use is some cheese, some leftover brisket I'm going to heat up, and I'm going to show you how I do this. Brisquito? Brisquito? Brisquito. I don't know. Call it what you want. It's taquitos, wrapped in cheese, keto friendly, and yeah, I'm still in the gale force winds. I think somebody just turns on the wind every time I come out here to try to griddle, to tell you the truth. You know, it's kind of like a neighbor letting their dog out to bark at you. Anyway, or, you know, somebody mowing the lawn, but, you know, obviously. I don't have that issue yet, but they are building in this neighborhood now, so, or in this subdivision, so. Anyway, let's get to it. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is get some of this brisket down. I'm not going to need a whole lot of this, so let's just kind of make some little piles. We'll let that warm up a little bit. Okay, my griddle is on a medium. All right, we're going to let it warm up just a little longer while the brisket's heating. My griddle is up to about 300 degrees, so I'm going to go ahead and get this started. I'm just going to do one at a time so we don't get ahead of ourselves. What I'm going to do is lay down some cheese about the size of a tortilla, corn tortilla. We're going to let that fry up a little bit. That looks like a good size to me. You can see the cheese is starting to melt a little bit, which is good. That's what we want. Okay, so I'm gonna get my meat, my brisket, and we're gonna lay that down right there. You can put as much as you want. These are not going to be huge taquitos. Brisquito. Okay. Be careful. Roll them up like a taquito. There you go. One of my pieces of brisket fell out, but that's all right. Okay. See how that side looks? Looks pretty darn good. I'm gonna let it crisp up just a tiny bit. Okay, brisket, cheese, taquito, keto friendly, brisquito. I'll get tired of me saying that. Let's make another one. Cheese does not have to be very thick. Make it thick if you want. That should do it. This brisket over, out of the way. Okay, it's starting to bubble up really nice. Get this brisket on there. Just take it like this, fold it over, fold it over again until you have a taquito, a brisket taquito, a keto brisket taquito. Sick of that yet? Okay. Can we see it one more time?
Okay, so you just want to lay down your cheese, size of a tortilla, let it melt. Takes 3, 4, 5 minutes, whatever. Just get it to where it's melting. Add in your brisket meat or whatever meat you want to put in there. Just like this, and then you're just going to carefully fold it over and roll it up like a taquito. And it's that easy. And then you're just going to let it, you know, heat up a little bit more on each side, get a little bit crispy. And once it's nice and done, you just pull it off. And here we have 3 brisket taquitos wrapped in cheese. Let's take a test of these.
So here you go. A keto-friendly brisket stuffed taquito. It's basically a taquito wrapped in a cheese skirt. I was talking to somebody about doing that. Just make like a cheese skirt, roll up some brisket in a taquito, and they're like, that's like keto friendly. So there you go, Brisketo. Let's give it a try. Oh my gosh. Well, if you like fried cheese, that is amazing. If you like brisket, that is amazing. So this is, I'd say this is a win. Brisketo, brisket taquito. All right. Well, instead of me eating in front of you, I'm gonna go. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and I hope you're having a great day. I am, because I got me some brisketos. See you on the next video.